Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, start. The NDA government has announced its intention to invest rupees 100 lakh crore in infrastructure over the next 5 years. Stop. If we grow at 12% in current prices, as has been assumed in the union budget, the cumulative GDP over the 5-year period would be about rupees 1350 lakh rupees. Stop. So we are talking about investing 75% of GDP in infrastructure, about the same as in the last 5-year plan. Stop. And they did not have a 9, maybe 10 rupee infrastructure cess on fuel. Stop. One can thus expect this target to be easily met. Stop. Finance is not always the problem, as in power, where the budget promises to work with state governments to remove barriers. Stop. For industrial and other bulk power consumers. Stop. It recognizes considerable reforms are needed in tariff policy. Stop. It is music to hear about retirement of old and inefficient plants, addressing low utilization of gas plant capacity. Stop. If tariff reform is addressed, reducing industrial and commercial tariffs and raising agricultural and residential tariffs, while redirecting the subsidy savings from discoms to directly target consumers through cash transfers to insulate them from the tariff increase. It will revive the cash generating end of the sector. Stop paragraph. Other actions, for example, addressing the carbon intensity of our electricity, can be taken subsequently, enabling a true transformation. Stop. Despite a 7-fold growth in renewable capacity in the last 10 years, the share of thermal sources, primarily coal, remains at nearly 80%, now operating at inefficient plant load factors. Stop. Renewables have stepped in a compensate for a stagnant supply from large hydro sources. Stop. Finally, can a gas plant perhaps buy spot cargo, land LNG at a convenient terminal, transport it to its plant by paying an excess charge to a network operator, and sell it to an industrial consumer, hopefully. Stop paragraph. The good part of the story ends here. Stop. Elsewhere, finance obscures problems such as the large commitments for Indian Railways, which is organizationally and financially unprepared and unwilling to be a competitive logistics company. Stop. To add to its woes, as if highway was not bad enough. Stop. This budget is promising to invest in another competing mode for bulk cargo inland waterways. Stop. Soon, like BSNL and Air India, Indian Railways without reform will become another black hole for investment. Stop. Instead of mega bucks, it is better to begin with smaller high return investment in signaling to enhance capacity and to make the network high speed ready, while simultaneously reorganizing it to compete in the logistic market. Stop.